Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden furniture designs. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts, stylish ideas, stylish colors, light colors, dark colors. Beautiful wooden work designs and ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden furniture designs. Every type of wooden furniture you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most useful. Top 50 designer ideas you can see in this my video. Mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Those who loves wooden work, wooden projects, you can visit my channel and see more collection about wood furniture, about wood door designs, wood projects you can see in this my channel. Latest uploading ideas you can see. Every design is different, every design is beautiful, mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Beautiful and trendy, beautiful and useful designs and ideas you can see in this my video. You can buy this very beautiful furniture, wooden furniture online. These websites like AliExpress, eBay.com, etsy.com, Amazon. You can buy very beautiful, more gorgeous collection of wooden work. See beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my wooden collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the wooden? How was the designs of beautiful and trendy wooden furniture ideas, stylish ideas, most beautiful, most trendy top 50 designer ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.